Hey guys, Cindy Otter here with my Artsy Endeavours. How are you doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Guess what? I have a completed journal that I thought I'd do a flip through with you. This is of course the Delusions journal. I don't know why I never do the covers. Someday I'll have to do the cover. Maybe I'll do that one of these days. Anyways, whoops. What I wanted to do is just flip through it and share with you my mess. This journal I started, I think it was in 2020, yeah. March of 2020. I wanted to try to do a different style of journaling. It did not work for me. For me, this is just too muted, too quiet. As you guys know, I like color. So yeah, the next page, just a lot of this is just play. I'll sit, doodle, mess around, whatever, in the journal. So I just wanted to show it to you. Outward smiles and inward screams. That sounds like normal life to me. But see, I don't even know what happened to these pages. This is old. But I finally finished up the last few pages of it. Beauty's everywhere. I like weird. Magic is something you make. That was done in 21. Pardon me. Some of these are dated and some are not. This one has no date on it. I have no idea. Be a daydreamer and a night thinker. This was done in 25. Who are you calling empty? This is a Delusion, one of those fabric sticker things. Piece of paper I got, I think from Temu. I think. That was done in January of 26, so that was this year. Believe in yourself. I sat here, this was a few days ago, I sat here and I started just playing with stuff that was sitting on my desk and making these little, I don't know what you want to call them, put together thingies. And this one looked like a dress, so I decided it had to be a dress. Hold on a second, I gotta bring my puppy over. Hi baby. And this is just a flower I drew. It says, hello, believe in yourself. Celebrate art. This is an Etsy download. Again, don't ask me who. I don't know. That was done in 21, I think. She's licking my arm. Stop for a minute. This is just circles, and I didn't really want to put anything on this. I just kind of liked it as it is. No. This one, all about new beginnings. I have this in here because these tend to stick together. It's just scrunched up like deli paper or tissue paper. This was done in 2021, so I just leave that in there so it doesn't stick together. This, I have no idea. It says there is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. I haven't a clue. This, there's a video that was just out on this. That was Pick and Choose, I believe. Candles. This was just playing around with markers. Don't be ridiculous. I will never ever get my stuff together. Again, this is the Delusion. I exist as I am. That is enough. This was from a long time ago. Gosh, I can't tell you. A long time ago. And this is Dina Wakley's Chapel Windows. I have no idea. There's no date on it. Oh, yes, there is. AJOS 10, Challenge 1. No idea. But they look horrible. This was done last year. This is just those little things that I had made, and I decided to make a little garden out of them. It says Amongst the Flowers. This was done in 25, September of 25. This was another video, Pick and Choose. This was September. I did it in, it says September of 25. I don't think that was September of 25. Anyways. Don't know. Just is. Born to be Wild at Heart. That was done in January of 2021. Don't know. Smile. These are a bunch of die cuts I had. They had that metallic on them. This is Dina Wakley Transparencies. Yeah, I don't know. This one has a video. Inspiration is everywhere. That was fun. This one, have fun. This girl I drew. This one also has a video. That's one of those cluster things that I was making. And again, a flower that I did in watercolor. I've decided I'm not good at drawing faces, so I'm not drawing faces anymore. Again, this one here likes to stick together. And I had Mod Podge on these, and that's why it was sticking together. And I can't tell you how many layers of matte medium I have put over this. It still sticks. This was from a long time ago. I have no idea. This is Enjoy the Moment. Make Magic. That was a recent one. These little birdies I drew. I thought they were kind of cute. After I drew them, my husband said, "Did you do a video on those?" I said, "No." He goes, "You should have." Yeah, I had fun with these. Again, this is a girl I drew with no face. This nun, I think she's great. And I just want to say, boy, you are in trouble now. Just the way she's sitting there with her hands on her hips. I'm not sure what if I'm gonna put anything on there. I kind of like it the way it is. I like her message, like, you are in deep trouble. But yeah, I like this one. This is a Prima girl from a long, long time ago. I have this stamp set. Don't have any dates on these. Best Life. This one, apparently I did some stencils and I just left it. Good enough for me. It's fine. I don't want to do anything else to it. It's going to stay. I'm larger, better than I thought. I did not know I held so much goodness. Walt Whitman. This is again another Dina Wakley girl. Beauty. No idea when this was done. No date on it. It will never be perfect. Make it work. And that is a quote from life. This has got a little girl in here. Just a girl. Can't remember where I got these from. I put that on her to make her sturdier, because she's just on copy paper. But yeah, this was just leftover stuff I had laying on my desk. And I had a pocket that I had just gotten from, I think, Daiso. And I just, yeah, there it is. This is a printable, no, this is a book. Something about stripes. And I copied these girls off there. I don't know. This is kind of a strange page. I'm not sure if I like it or not. And there's no date on it, so I don't know. This is another one that I copied out of a book, but my printer was running out of ink, so it turned out to be yellow, which yellowish green, which whatever, I'm fine. I still use it. I filled up my colors on my printer, and I have a regular one now, but yeah, set a goal, be cool. I don't know. Just, it is what it is. This one, you guys saw a video on. This was a pick and choose. Love these birdies. A sunflower. Nothing else on it, just a sunflower. That works. This one says In Her Heart. There's no date on this. I don't know if that's a Tandy art or not. I'm not sure. I think that might be a Tandy art girl. This is a girl I drew. Basically namaste. Her in her yoga pose. This bird, I just really like this bird. I just put in an incredible. And this is a background paper that I had done with a stencil. I like this one. There's no date on them. Oh no, yes there is. That one was done in July last year. July 25. So I have been creating, I just have not been sharing what I'm creating. Trust. This is an art by Marlene Gal. Life is Art, paint. I think that's a stamp, I believe. I'm not positive. No dates. Oh, this one was done in 2023. Do the Unexpected. This one is, I drew that, the quieter you become, the more you are able to hear. A quote by Rumi, and that was done in 2023. So like I said, this is a really old journal. Yeah, just birds. Create, delight, and nurture. Pretty birds. The secret to freedom is having the courage to let it go. This was in a different journal. I don't remember what, but, or in a book maybe. Yeah, it might have been in a book. Yeah, it's coming out. And I took it out and I put it in here. I did this a long time ago. This isn't recent. I don't know how long ago that was. Apparently I got rid of the book. I've done that every now and then. I'll get rid of a journal that I'm not happy with. And then I take the pages that I've done in it and stick it in something else. This one says unique, no date. And this one says be fearless and authentic. Be fearlessly authentic. That I think is a Prima doll also, this dude. Here. That's a, I think, Delusions. And then the back of it, this is, I painted it and then I put some modeling paste on it. I don't know if you guys can see the texture. But I did some modeling paste through a word stencil or a scribble stencil, and I just don't want to, I don't know, I like it. I'm leaving it alone. So there you go. There's another journal done. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll chat with you guys soon. Bye!